I am Dr. Mohan S. Singhe, MSW course coordinator. Our department name is MSW, Mangalore University, Mangala Gangotri. So we have started the Department of Social Work in the year of 2002 and 3. Course details is like it is a 2-year course, so which divided into 4 semesters. We have offered here 4 specialization for the students, those who take MSW admission. So there are 4 specialization in the syllabus. One is community development, and HR, we call it as human resource management, and third one is medical and psychiatric social work, fourth one is correctional social work. In the department we have adequate number of classrooms. Apart from that, there is a computer lab and skill development lab, and after completion of the MSW course, the students will be placed in different fields for the job. They will be having ample opportunities as far as job is concerned. Students will be placed, usually our students will get job in different sectors, that is private and government sectors. In the private sectors like industries, companies, hospitals, NGOs, civil service organizations. In government sectors, students will get a chance for job as community development officers, CDPOs, and ample opportunities they will be having. We have adequate number of faculties in the department. All of them are well educated, well qualified. We have permanent 3 faculty members and 4 guest faculties we are having. And we have limit of the capacity, I mean the intake, 63 intake we have. That is big number enough. And see, about this course to tell you, we have 11 colleges, private colleges. Those all comes under Mangalore University, affiliated to Mangalore University. They are also offering MSW course. For them, we are selecting the candidates, management and government quota. So we are selecting the candidates under government quota and will be giving admission to the candidates in the government and private affiliated colleges. Altogether in Mangalore University, every year about 600 students will be coming out with their MSW course. So it is a good course. I request the audience to take up this course. So with compared to other course, this is a peculiar course because we are having practicum, like science courses. We are having practicum here. Students will be teaching in the classroom as well as they will be having field work practicum. So they will be placed in the different organizations, different hospitals, for whatever they are gaining the knowledge here in the classroom, that they are practicing in the field. So in that way we are training the students in a different way, so that will help them to mold their professional life. So I request the audience to take up this course. Thank you.